Click Tally Prime with GST. Welcome to Click Tally Prime with GST. By learn everything about accounting and become job ready. Make accurate and quick reports in no time. Become proficient in GST, voucher, currency, inventories and excise reports. Acquire new edge business management and data management skills in this innovative course. Learn Tally Prime to handle the needs of any business and manage entire life cycle of the company. You will understand accounting field by real-life situations and applications of Tally skills. You will learn about career opportunities and roles to be performed at the workplace. You will know various parts of the tool, their functions and interrelations. Thus, you develop integral skills that make you job ready. You will learn to create company profile and maintain various company profiles. You will also learn how to maintain company data using GST setup and configuration. And know statutory, TSS and add-on features. You will learn the features of accounting, inventory, taxation and other important features. You will also learn Tally with GST. You will know how to do interstate transactions such as intrastate GST transaction, intrastate purchase transaction, intrastate sales transaction, and payment and receipt transaction. You will manage the key menu options, gateway of Tally and reports. You will learn creating masters like Party Master, Inventory Master, GST Ledger, Operational Master, and Receipt Entry. And most importantly, you will learn concepts of e-invoicing, interstate GST transaction with e-way invoice, GSTR1 view, GSTR2 and GSTR2A and GSTR2B, GSTR3B view and other GST reports in Tally Prime. You will also learn concepts of GSTR9 and GSR9C. And you will learn all of these in just 2 months. The course is available all over India in English, Marathi and Hindi language. This course is recognized by Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, YCMOU. YCMOU issues mark sheet to the learners who successfully complete the sections 1, 2 and 3. MKCL provides certificate to the Click learners after their successful course completion. The course focuses on practical knowledge and application. This course makes the learners efficient that gives them rewarding career opportunities. After completion of the course, you will be able to get a position in any organization as an accounts assistant or ERP assistant in finance or accounts section. So, let's gear up and join now. Click Tally Prime with GST. Visit www.mkcl.org/join or contact MKCL's nearest MSCIT or Click Center.